Krishna here. I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be a what's in my travel makeup bag video. I've got 2 travel makeup bags because I always bring this with me, but when I put the products inside, it's too bulky and heavy, and I guess it is not good for the bag. I will show you guys the first bag. This bag was given to me by my friend. Hi, Ate Jassy! And it is from Clinique, I think. Yeah, it's from Clinique. And let's open it. So inside this bag is full of liquid makeups or cream type products. I separated this products because if merong mag-spill or hindi ko ma-close yung cap ng maayos, edi magsispill siya sa buong makeup ko, including yung mga high-end products ko. So, the first item in this bag is this e.l.f. powder brush. Ginagamit ko siya, of course, sa powder, pero I use it sometimes sa mga liquid foundations ko. The next product in the bag is this e.l.f. angled brush. I use this naman sa basta, malalaman nyo later. The next product in my makeup bag is this Myra E Facial Moisturizer. This is a water-based moisturizer. Actually, hindi to bagay sa akin. My skin is not oily. My skin is dry. Really dry. Kaya, hindi para sa akin itong Myra E water-based. Ang dapat sa akin ay oil-based moisturizer. Pero, ginagamit ko siya kasi nga light siya. Actually, itong ginagamit ko moisturizer. This is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Night. Singit ko lang siya. Ito talaga ginagamit ko, pero hindi pa kasi ako nakakahanap ng kamatch ko na oil-based na moisturizer. So, for the meantime, yun muna. The next product in my makeup bag is this L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Makeup Titanium Dioxide Sunscreen. And my shade is in Warm Nude Beige W3. The next product in my makeup bag is this Mary Kay Time Moist Matte Wear Liquid Foundation in Beige 2. Next product is this Mary Kay Sheer Mineral Pressed Powder in Beige 1. The next item in my travel makeup bag is this dirty, very dirty beauty blender. I don't know the brand, pero I bought this from Swash. Hindi ko alam yung brand, pero yeah, I bought this from Swash. Doon ikaw, please. Malapit na ako matapos. Doon na ikaw kay Daddy. Thank you! The next product, the last product in my travel makeup bag is this. What? Later na, malapit na ako matapos. Saglit na lang to. Baby ha, please ha. Besh! Rice clean. Okay.
Bye-bye, love you.
Bye-bye, I love you too. So, back to the last product in my makeup bag is this. I think this is Ever Bilena Advanced Lip and Cheek Stain in Very Red. Super favorite ko siya, and makikita nyo mamaya later sa mga gamit ko, wala akong blush on. Ito lang ginagamit ko when I am in a good mood or feeling ko sobrang white ng face ko, parang sobrang pale kahit na may lipstick ako or tint. So yan, hindi ako gumagamit ng blush on. Ito lang, tint lang. So let's move on to the next makeup bag that I have. This is Travel Mate, which was given to me by my mom, and the first product is this. Ito, sobrang dalang ko lang siyang gamitin. As in, sobrang dalang lang talaga. This is the Essence Sun Club shimmering bronzing powder. Kaya madalang ko siyang gamitin is because may shimmer siya and I don't want shimmer. The next naman is this, my all-time favorite eyebrow product. This is the Style My Eyebrow from Face Shop in 03. Favorite ko siya kasi mahirap siyang look. Mahirap siyang i-apply. Mas gusto ko kasi sa product sa skin ay yung mahirap i-apply. Kaya, alam niyo na, mahilig ako sa matte. I love matte products. Like sa foundation, I love matte products kahit na dry yung skin ko, sa lips. Ganun din, mahilig ako sa matte products kasi kahit na dry yung lips ko, mahilig pa rin ako. Kasi, feeling ko kasi sa eyebrow, pag gumamit ka ng mga products na katulad ng Nichido, maganda yun. Madaming nag-review about dun sa eyebrow pencil ng Nichido. Pero, ako, sa ngayon na, kasi siguro kasundo ko to, nahirapan akong i-apply siya kasi messy. Tapos feeling ko, kung hindi mo siya isa-set gamit yung brow gel, feeling ko hindi siya tatagal. Hindi ko lang sure ha, kung yung pencil alone, kasi nga, parang sobrang dulas niya. Nag-glide on easily siya sa eyebrow. Pero maganda siya, maganda yung shade. The taupe and the chestnut, maganda siya. Pero ito talaga, my all-time favorite. Kasi nga, ang hirap niyang ilagay sa eyebrows. Favorite ko and marami ding may favorite dito. Alam ko, sa mga makeup addicts dyan, alam nyo to. This is the Into-Eat Waterproof Eyebrow Color. Ginagamit ko siya sa brows ko. Pang fill in ng mga gaps. Kasi pag gamit ako ng pencil, mas nagda-dark siya. Kaya, ito na lang yung ginagamit ko. Pencil muna, tapos itong eyebrow powder. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang cosmetic sharpener from Face Shop. And this Face Shop Design My Eyebrow Lovely Me X. Puli lang ginagamit ko dito kasi ubos na siya. Yan na lang siya. Yan. Handy siya. Ang pinakahuling mga products, syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang lipsticks. Yan. MAC lipsticks. Brow gel ng MAC in, what shade is this? Brow gel in the shade Toasted Blonde. And yung sa MAC lipsticks naman is Flat Out Fabulous, Kinda Sexy, my favorite, and All Fired Up, also my favorite, and Please Me. So that's it guys, I'm finally done with what's in my travel makeup bag video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and may your foundation match your neck, your concealer never crease, and your wing eyeliner be sharp enough to kill. See you in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Thank you!